Ruby, a gemstone of captivating beauty, has mesmerized hearts for centuries. Its fiery red hues evoke feelings of warmth, energy, and intense passion. Known as the King of Gemstones, Ruby holds a revered place in history and spirituality. Join us as we explore the captivating world of Ruby and uncover the secrets behind its allure. Born from the Earth's fiery depths, Ruby is a variety of the mineral corundum. Its vibrant red color comes from the presence of chromium. Rubies come in various shades, each with its own unique beauty. The most prized rubies possess a deep, rich red, known as pigeon blood red. These exceptional gemstones are often found in Myanmar, renowned for producing some of the world's finest rubies. Throughout history, ruby has been a symbol of power, wealth, and protection. Ancient civilizations believed that rubies held the power of life itself, associating their vibrant red color with blood and vitality. In India, ruby is known as Ratnaraj, meaning king of gemstones, and is considered the most valuable and auspicious stone. Indian astrology considers ruby to be the gemstone of the sun, representing power, authority, and divine favor. It is believed to enhance leadership qualities, boost confidence, and bring good fortune to the wearer. Rubies have adorned the crowns and regalia of emperors and kings for centuries, signifying their status and authority. The Mughal emperors of India were known for their exquisite ruby collections, believing these gemstones brought prosperity and protection to their reign. Section 4. Igniting Inner Fire and Strength. Beyond its historical and cultural significance, ruby is believed to possess powerful energetic properties that can benefit our well-being. It is a stone of fire, associated with vitality, passion, and courage. Ruby is said to ignite our inner fire, boosting energy levels and dispelling lethargy. Emotionally, ruby can help to overcome fear, increase self-confidence, and promote a sense of empowerment. It is also believed to attract love and passion, enhancing relationships and fostering a deeper connection with oneself and others. Ruby's fiery energy can help to clear blockages in the root chakra, the energy center associated with our sense of grounding and security. Section 5. Embracing the ruby's warmth. Ruby, the king of gemstones, captivates us with its fiery beauty and powerful energy. Its historical significance, cultural importance, and reputed healing properties have made it a treasured gemstone for centuries. Whether worn as jewelry, used in meditation, or simply admired for its beauty, ruby invites us to embrace our inner fire, live with passion, and experience life to the fullest. As we connect with the energy of ruby, we tap into a source of strength, courage, and vitality, empowering us to navigate life's challenges with grace and determination. Let the warmth of ruby ignite your spirit and guide you on a journey of self-discovery and fulfillment.